SI14 is 86 and the stock is extremely overbought on SI14, but may also continue to gain. Some stocks see their best performance while being overbought, but very seldom does RSI remain so high for a long time without short corrections. Risk has therefore increased and larger daily movements can be expected over the next couple of days. High volatility in Torchlight Energy Resources stock price on Friday, which ended trading at 50 cents, updated on December 04 TH 2020. Buy or hold candidate since the 18th of November 2020 gained 72.59% PDF. The Torchlight Energy Resources stock price gained 11.47% on the last trading day, Friday, 4th of December 2020, rising from 45 cents to 50 cents, and has now gained 4 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the day the stock fluctuated 12.20% from a day low at 45 cents to a day high of 50 cents. The price has risen in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 70.41% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by minus 11 million shares and in total, 5 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $2.57 million. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. The stock has broken the very wide and strong rising the short-term trend up and an even stronger rate of rising is indicated. For any reaction back there will now be support on the roof on the current trend broken at 45 cents, a level that may pose a second chance to hit a runner. According to fan theory 60 cents will be the next possible trend top level and thereby pose a resistance level that may not be broken at the first attempt. Signals and forecast. The Torchlight Energy Resources stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at 40 cents and 31 cents. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, November 05 TH 2020, and so far it has risen 90.38%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3 months moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Support, risk and stop loss. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at 45 cents and 39 cents. There is natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Torchlight Energy Resources finds support just below today's level at 45 cents. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at 39 cents and 38 cents. 45 cents 50 cents. This stock may move very much during a day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. This stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved 5 cents between high and low, or 12.20%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 21.15%. The Torchlight Energy Resources stock is extremely overbought on SI14, 86. Normally this may pose a good selling opportunity, but since the stock has broken the trend up, The chance for a major correction due to high RSI is very small, as the stock will find support at the trend broken. Our recommended stop loss, 48 cents, minus 4.78%. This stock has very high daily movements and this gives very high risk. The C14 is 86 and this increases the risk substantially. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 20 days ago. Is Torchlight Energy Resources stock a buy? Torchlight Energy Resources holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. Current score, 0.000. Predicted opening price for Torchlight Energy Resources of Monday, December 7, 2020. The predicted opening price is based on yesterday's movements between high, low, and the closing price.